Hi, and welcome. Let's have a look at Netron's TreeGen, a tree generation solution that can create a good ecosystem of trees. With traditional workflows, making iterations and even changes to these assets means starting many things over and over. So spending hours on branches alone and worrying about proportions, etc. So a solution that is dynamic enough to the imagination and actually reliable enough for actual production is what TreeGen is. It actually creates endless trees with consistency that actually looks like real ecosystems. A lot of methods and tools that are not manual often leaves me with broken meshes and often with gaps to fix. But my favorite aspect of the tool is the abundant iterations idea of it. The seed system means we can iterate in an endless way, try different proportions, adjust branch density, experiment with root spread. It's sincerely fun. So instead of bottlenecking modeling branches for hours, we have artists focus on storytelling, visual impact, and processing their trees further from a great starting point of choice. And thank you very much, everyone. Have fun.